Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. Today I'm here with Andrew and we are going to showcase his brand new C8 70th anniversary Carbon Flash Edition. This thing is absolutely amazing, but he has done a bunch to this car already with just the 300 miles he's got on it. We're going to talk about all that, but you guys may remember Andrew. He has had a black C7 Z06 with a manual transmission. He used to ride with us a lot. You'll remember his is the one that had the chrome wheels. That car was amazing, but this is absolutely impeccable. Stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back. Let's check out this. The first thing I really just want to tell you guys is look at how much metallic is in this carbon flash paint. This is absolutely a beautiful, beautiful color. I believe it will be available next year for the E-Rays and possibly for the Stingrays, I don't know. But this carbon flash is amazing. But the first thing I want to show you guys, really, I guess I should say the second thing is, look at all the carbon fiber. He has added a tremendous amount of carbon fiber from AG Motorsports. I don't actually even know what this piece is called right here, but you can see all that in carbon fiber. The 5VM front splitter, carbon fiber as well. And look at that weave. This thing is absolutely amazing. So front splitter, again, I don't know what these little vent pieces are called right there, carbon fiber. And of course he did the 5VM side skirts, also carbon fiber. Check it out. All that exposed carbon, absolutely beautiful. The Boomerang right here, also exposed carbon fiber. The GM wing in carbon fiber. And again, though, this is from AG Motorsports, but check that out. Absolutely beautiful. The rear bumper, this whole rear fascia right here, also all carbon fiber. I have not seen many with this much carbon fiber. Again, AG Motorsports right there on this. But what an amazing looking vehicle. He does have some more things that he's going to do in carbon fiber on here, but that's what he's got done so far. Let's check out his interior. Now this, of course, standard with the C8 70th anniversary, but he also has, look at all the carbon fiber right here on the interior, all the interior package, all carbon fiber right here. Absolutely beautiful. One of the things that I love about the 70th anniversary, though, is the Alcantara microfiber suede interior. I mean, look at all of this. Whole center console, the dash area, all of this is the microfiber suede. And this is a 3LT, so it has the red stitching. Such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful interior. Again, I'm always jealous with the colored stitching, because you guys know I've talked about it over and over. I wish I would have went 3LT so I could have got the yellow stitching in my car. I knew I couldn't get it that way. I chose not to, but I love it. And then look at the B-pillars back here, all this microfiber suede, so beautiful. Now, one thing that some people love, some people don't, is the sky cool gray seats. They say they look dirty. They're not dirty. It's just perforations in the seat, because this car is brand new. But those colors together, the black and sky cool gray, such great contrast. And much like all of the GT2 seats, you have the carbon fiber inserts right there by the headrest. But man, oh man, this is beautiful. And of course, you have your ghost stripes. So check out these ghost stripes right here. Can you see that? Absolutely beautiful. And these stripes are carbon flash as well. Carbon flash, basically ghost stripes. So nice. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I'm absolutely loving this car. Can't wait. We got Tim over here from Dad's Garage. And of course, my C8 about to go do a little drive. Oh, and I forgot to mention the carbon fiber caps on the mirrors as well. So this thing is carbon fibered out, and check it. He's got the red vinyl behind the windshield right there, so you can see that Team Corvette. And yes, I will be doing that soon. And thank you to the gentleman who actually mentioned it on Instagram, told me how to do it. I was like, oh, awesome. I was wondering how that was done. And turns out that Andrew has already done it. He said it took him about 3 tries. In about 20 minutes, he got it done. So we'll see how long it takes, but that's gonna do it. This video is relatively short, but I really wanted to showcase this car because this thing is amazing. Oh, the most important thing I forgot to tell you guys, Xpel. he did expel this car. This car is expelled and ceramic coated from head to toe, front to back. This whole car was expelled by Xpel Dallas, another great company. If you live in the DFW area and you need Xpel, and make sure you mention Vet Syndicate, they will give you a discount. One last thing that I also forgot to mention, another very important thing, is he has the scrape armor grill guards right here. Another very important thing to protect those radiators. Oh my goodness, very, very important. But anyway, so that is gonna do it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys come out to one of our events, make sure to say hello to Andrew. Super nice guy. You guys will absolutely love him. And that's gonna do it. Congratulations to him. I know he's loving this car. We need to get him out more. Anyway, everybody have a great week. Thank you for watching. Peace.